Coming to the next topic, population explosion. Population explosion is nothing but increasing in the rate of individuals in a population or in a particular community is known as the population explosion. So if you take a particular community is nothing but the human beings, or community nothing but the animals, or community nothing but if one individual will increase, then the population will goes on increasing. That is the definition of population explosion. And comment is, what are the causes of this population explosion? If you see this, accelerating birth rate. So normally it was the cause of population explosion. Birth rates are goes on increasing. Accelerating birth rates, nothing but birth rates are goes on increasing. And second one, decreasing in infant mortality rate, as what we discussed in the earlier, that in previously in the 14th century the mortality death infant deaths were more at that time, there is because of no medical facility at that time. But now the infant birth rates are goes on decreasing because the scientific and technology medical facilities are available, so those people, the doctors are able to cure the infants, and the death rates is goes on decreasing. So that was also the reason of population explosion. And coming to this, increase in life expectancy. So we people just what with the food stable, good medical facilities, stable food and natural. So we used to increase the life, and we used to expect more, expectancy is more. That is also one causes to population explosion. And coming to this, high level of illiteracy. So illiteracy, if you take properly high illiteracy, then the population, the people don't have any literacy rate, then automatically the people will, the population will be goes on increasing. That is also, that was also one of the main cause of this population explosion. Coming to this, effect of population explosions. If you see this, one is one first one is overpopulation. If the population is continuously goes on increasing, then the population explosion will be more. And the in future the population will be more, but the natural resources which are available in the atmosphere will be not up to the mark. So we have to think about the population, overpopulation. Coming to the second one, unemployment. If the population is goes on increasing, then the unemployment will be also more, because we don't have that much of jobs in the present area. So we have to think that the unemployment rate also, if the people or the population is goes on increasing, then there will be another great difficulty to this. Coming to this poverty is nothing but poor. And if you see most of the African countries, and if you see some areas of some slum areas of India, the poverty is very less because of some awareness of these things. Coming to the illiteracy, so if the illiteracy, if the most of the people don't have that much of amount of money to make their children to get a good education, or good education in good schools or reputed schools, so those things also becomes the illiteracy to the people, and it will be also main reason for main effect of population explosion. Coming to this, poor health. So we don't have good health facilities in some areas, and most of the people won't bear to this. Coming to this economy, if the population is goes on increasing, then the economy also will affect the if the population is goes on increasing, it will affect on the economy also. And economy, that is also one of the effect of population explosion. Coming to this, pollution and global warming. And if you see this, if the population is goes on increasing, there will be a lot of pollution and global warming. So we have to make more products to the people who are living in the, who are living on the earth. So if the population, we have to make to the best possible to the to get the more food to, and to say. So the population is goes on increasing, the factories will run more, and the factories will run more, automatically there will be more pollution and more global warming. So this was also the main effect of population explosion. Coming to the methods of this population explosion, So first of all, we have to see that development. If you develop the things in the rural areas, then it will be great advantage for the population explosion. The people will think about that, and previously, the people used to give birth for more child coming, but nowadays the people are more developed and more literate, more having more literation, so that the people are constantly decreasing their childs who have only one or two. So previously, as of now all people are developed, and so they used to see that if we can able to give a birth for one or two, then we can able to give more food and good education and good clarity, so such that there if the development was there, then automatically this was the method to decrease the population explosion. The second one is education, and automatically, if we give more education to in the rural areas, if the government give more policies, and if the government will give, then it will be great advantage to the people that they will literate and they will educate and they will think about the population and they will use to control the things in rural areas. Coming to this next one is woman empowerment. That was the main. If the woman gives more education, then automatically the population will be constantly decreases, and eradicate poverty. So if there is no poorness, then if they give more education, and if you give more the placements, otherwise, then they used to reduce these things. Next one, spread awareness. If you give more awareness in the rural areas, then these programs will be more useful for the people to control the population. And coming to this, easy and cheap availability of contraceptive. So this also one thing. If you give more good availability of the resources very cheap, then we can able to control and we can do this. Next one is provide incentives. Then if you give some welfare programs in the rural areas, then if you give more incentives, then they used to control the things and they won't increase the population. And some legislative actions, if you put some actions, then they also be control. And if medical facilities, if you give more medical facilities in the rural areas, then then they can also be the part of to control the population. And delayed marriages is previously the marriages were be in the very less ages now, but now the marriage, if you keep this girls, previously the marriage for a girl is nothing but 14 years and boy is for 18 years. Now if you delayed the marriages then at the women for 21 years, then it can able to control the uh, women exploitation or increasing the population. Thank you.